Good morning to all of you. Today we start class 9 chapter 6 lines and angle. In previous lecture we studied till chapter 4. Chapter 5 introduction to Euclid's geometry is reduced in this year. So we will not discuss about chapter 6. Chapter 5. So start chapter 6 line and angle. First of all, we talk about line segment, and array. This is three most important topic: line segment, and array. What is the definition of these three? First of all, line. What is a line? What is a line? So state that a line has no end points. A line has no end point. A line has no end point. No end points. That means this is a line and a line has no end point. That means this and this is not the end point. It means this is also produced in forward direction and this is also produced in this direction. What is a line segment? That means a line segment has fixed end point, fixed two end points. A line segment has fixed two end points. That means this is end point and this is also a end point. That means this AB is a line segment and this AB is a line. And what array means? Array means one fixed point, and other is not fixed. That means this is fixed point and this is not fixed point. That is this move in forward direction. This means this AB notation is AB. That means this is AB means this is line and AB this is means line segment and ray AB means this is ray. This is the notation of line segment and a ray Line is no end point, line segment two fixed end point, ray is one fixed point. This is the complete explanation of line segment and array. In previous class you have already studied line segment and array. Now we have start what is the angle. How an angle is formed. That means you already know this is the angle. This is an angle. Angle is formed by two rays. This is first rays and this is a second ray. This is first rays and this is second rays by two rays at the same end point. This is same end point. This point is also the end point of this ray and this point is also the end point of this ray. This end point is called a vertex. And these rays called arms of the angle. This is also a arms and this is also a arm. This is a vertex. Now you have studied different types of angle, that is acute angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle. So we can see this is acute angle, that is X. This is acute angle. This is a right angle, that is this is x. This means x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree, and this is obtuse angle, and this is a reflex angle. This is a reflex angle. Acute angle means the value of x is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. That means x is an acute angle. ACUTE, acute angle. And when x is equal to 0, then it is a right angle. And when x is greater than 90, and when x is greater than 90 and less than 180, then it is a obtuse angle. And this is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. And when the value of, this is the value of, इसको assume कर लेते हैं y. The value of y is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree. This is a reflex angle, and also angle, straight angles. That means this is a point, this array and this array. This is a common point. That means this is vertex and this is arms. That means this angle is 180 and this is a z. When z is equal to 180, that means this is a straight angle. This is a straight angle. First of all, this is acute angle. The value of x is greater than 0 and less than 90. That means this is acute angle. And when x is equal to 0, that means right angle. And when the value of x is greater than 90 and less than 180, that means this is obtuse angle. And when the value of z is equal to 180, that means a straight angle. And when the value of y is greater than 180 and less than 360 degree, that means this is a reflex angle. So this is the complete explanation of angle about acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle and reflex angle. So further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Now there are some types of angle. That means this is acute angle and this is a common endpoint, that is this is vertex, and this is also a ray. This is also a ray. This is point B, this is point A, B, A, B, C, and this is D. This is D. We talk about adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. What is adjacent angle? Adjacent angle. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arc and their non-common arms are on different side of common arc. Adjacent angles means 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rays and one common endpoint and one common ray is in adjacent angle. That means this angle and this angle is a adjacent angle. That means ABD and DBC adjacent angle. We can write angle ABC is equal to ABC can be written in form angle ABD plus angle DBC. This is the form of adjacent angle. In adjacent angle, two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arm and their non-common arms are on different side of a common arm. In figure ABD and DBC are adjacent angle. ABD and DBC are adjacent angle, and we can write ABC is equal to ABD plus DBC. Now we talk about linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angle. First of all, we take a straight angle. Straight angle, that is, this is common point. This is 180 degree. You already know this point is a ray. This is also a ray. Linear pair. What means linear pair? This is point A, B, C, and D. Point A, B, C, and D. In previous figure, adjacent angle, and this is a linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angles. Of angles. Why this is called a linear? Because this is a linear. This is a linear. Linear pair of angle. That means angle ABC and angle CBD are linear pair angle. Angle ABC and CBD are called linear pair of angles. Angle ABC and CBD are called linear pair of angles. Now we proceed. Vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angle. This is a common point. This is vertex, and this is a ray, and this is also a ray, and this is also a ray, and this is also a ray. This is point O. This is intersection point. This point is A, B, C, and D. Vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. Where AC and BD are intersect at point O. Where AC and BD are intersect at point O, then the vertical opposite angle are formed. This means this angle AOB is equal to angle COD. This is vertical opposite angle. This is the opposite direction. Angle AOB is equal to COD. You can write angle AOB is equal to angle COD, and in bracket you can write vertically opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle. You can also describe angle BOA is equal to angle DO. See, this is also the same. AOB or BOA, this is equal to each other, and COD or DOC, this is also equal to each other. So we can write angle AOB is equal to angle COD, and angle BOA is equal to DOC. This is also the same. By this is vertically opposite angle. And angle AOD is also equal to angle BOC. Angle BOC, because vertical opposite angle. You can write this in short BOA, vertically opposite angle. So this is the explanation of adjacent angle, linear pair of angle, and vertically opposite angle. Now, what is intersecting line and non-intersecting line? Intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. You can see only in this figure. This line and this line. This is non-intersecting line. This is non-intersecting line because these lines are parallels, and this line and this line is a intersecting line. This is intersect at point O, and this is not intersect at any point. So these lines are not intersecting line, and these lines are intersecting line. Now we proceed. Axiom 6.1. Axiom 6.1. Pair of angles in page number 92. Pairs of angle. Pairs of angle means linear pair of angles. You can see this is A, B, O and C. This is one ray. This angle and this angle. Angle AOC plus angle COB. Angle AOC plus COB is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. How? This is linear pair of angle. Bracket में लिखेंगे linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. It means you can see angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle BOA. Angle AOC plus COB is equal to angle BOA, and the value of BOA is equal to 180 degree because BOA is a straight angle. Because BOA is a straight angle. Hence, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree, and this is also linear pair of angles. Where we can write angle AOC plus COB is equal to 180 and write in bracket linear pair of angles. Let's see an example. This is x and this is 120. This is 60. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. How can you solve this question? How can you solve this question? How can you solve this question? First of all, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree in bracket linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. So the value of AOC is s and the value of COB is equal to 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. It means x is equal to 180 minus 16, that is x is equal to 120 degree. So by this method you can find the value of any unknown value. So this is the complete explanation of linear pair of angles. So please pause the video and note it down. Now vertically opposite angle, this is A, B, C and D, and this point is O. All of you are known AOD is equal to BOC and AOB is equal to COD by vertically opposite angle. But how can I say that these angles are equal? Let's explanation. First of all, we see that AOC is a straight line. AOC is a straight line. It means these angles are 180. It means these angles are 180. First of all, AOC is a straight line. It means angle AOC is equal to 180. Now you take AOD is equal to x. Now you take AOD is equal to x. It means DOC is equal to 120. How can you say this? X plus 120 is equal to 180. This is 180 minus x. 180 minus x. First of all, you take x, so this is 180 minus x because these AOC is a straight angle and this whole angle is 180, and in this 180 this is the x, so this is 180 minus x. Now you can say that this is also a straight angle. It means this whole part is 180, this whole part is 180, and this part is 180 minus x. It means this part is x. This part is x. Now you can easily see that this is x and this is also x. Similarly, you can write this AOC is a straight angle, this angle is x, so this angle is 1 minus x. Now you can easily see that this angle and this angle is also equal to each other. So this is the complete explanation of vertical opposite angle, how a vertical opposite angle is equal to each other. Further proceed, please pause the video and note it down. Exercise 6.6. Now we can solve the question of exercise 6.6. In introduction part, we have seen what we have seen. We have seen this angle, this angle, this and this. This is a linear pair angles, and this is vertical opposite angle. In linear pair angle, the sum of two angles, the sum of this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. This means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair angles. And in vertical opposite angle, if this angle is x, this angle is also x, and if this angle is y, this angle is also equal to y by vertically opposite angles. So by use these two concepts, we solve exercise 6.1 questions. Question number first. Question number first is figure given है. First of all, we draw figure A, O, and this part is B. This is E. This is point C, and this point A. This is also a straight line. This is P. In given question, angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Find BOE and reflex COE. First of all, AOC plus BOE. AOC plus BOE, that means this angle and this angle is equal to 70 degree, and BOD is given here 40 degree. 40 degree. It means this 40 degree and this is also 40 degree by vertically opposite angle, because these lines CD and these lines AB are intersect at point O. So angle AOC plus is equal to angle BOD by vertically opposite angle. So now you can find angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. 40 degree. It means angle AOC 40 degree and BOE we have not known, and 70 is, it means BOE 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. BOE is equal to 30 degree. BOE is equal to 30 degree. It means this is 30 degree and this is 40 degree. Find BOE. BOE is equal to 30 degree. BOE is equal to 30 degree. BOE is equal to 30 degree. And the reflex of COE. COE, here is COE. COE. This is angle COE and this angle is reflex angle of COE. If you find this angle, you can also find this angle. So first of all, how can you find this? How can you find this? This is a line and AB is a line and CO and EO are red stand on AB. So we can write this angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB is equal to 180. Put the value of angle AOC, that means 40, plus angle COE is equal to COE plus EOB is 30 degree is equal to 180. It means COE plus 70 is equal to 180. It means angle COE is equal to 110. 110. This is angle of COE. We can find reflex angle COE. It means reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110 is equal to 250 degree. So this is the complete solution of question number 1. So please pause the video and note it down. How can I write this 360 minus 1? You also know this is 180, this is 180 and this is also 180. So this complete part is 360 degree and in 360 degree this is 110 degree and so reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110 is equal to 250 degree. So exercise 3.6 question number 1 is complete here. I hope all of you would understood it. Today is sufficient. Thank you.